Okay, I'm going to do this question because I just find this question extremely interesting. It's about geographical location. So if you go to the end of Article 1, they start talking about the definition of police officers, and then they start talking geographically and things of that nature. So this is related to that. So this is CPL 120-34A. Select the correct statement as to the geographical area of employment of police officers. A, so you got to select the correct statement. A 20-year veteran New York State police officer has spent all his police service assigned to the Dover Plains Station in Dutchess County. His geographical area of employment is the entire state. B, a New York City police officer lives and works in Kings County, one of the 5 counties of New York City. The officer's geographical area of employment is solely Kings County. C, a deputy sheriff of Nassau County has always been assigned to the county jail in Mineola. The sheriff's geographical area of employment is limited to Mineola. D, a police officer of the town of Chatham in Columbia County is assigned to road patrol for traffic violators. The officer's geographical area of employment does not include state or county roads which pass through the town. So here's the thing you have to look at, what I'm figuring out. First off, I'm just going to start with B is wrong. The reason I'm starting with B is because this is something that you have to know. When it comes to the 5 boroughs, okay, you know how each borough has its own county. For example, Brooklyn is Kings County, Queens is Queens County. Well, when it comes to the CPL, all 5 boroughs is considered one county. Therefore, this is wrong because it's saying that a New York City police officer lives and works in Kings County, and then it's saying that his geographical area of employment is solely Kings County. So you have to know that the rule of the CPL doesn't work like it does like what we know as lay people. Okay? All 5 boroughs, that's Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Manhattan, what am I leaving out? And the Bronx, are all under the CPL, are all considered one county. Therefore, B is wrong because he's saying that the officer's geographical area of employment is solely Kings County. That's wrong. Okay? That would mean the right answer would be that his geographical area is all 5 boroughs, even though he's employed in Kings County, right? Okay, so let's knock that out. Putting that aside, because that's the rule under the CPL, the way it's referred to county. County is all 5 boroughs, and just knocking that out because we just know that. When we look at the next 3, we're going to look at the title of what the police officer is, right? The first one, a 20-year veteran, New York State police officer. Boom. New York State, right there. That's telling you that that police officer covers the entire state. So when it says his service assigned to Denver Plains Station in Dutchess County, his geographical. So his station is Dover Plains, but he is a New York State police officer. That's his title. Always look at the title, okay? So his geographical area of employment is the entire state. So A is actually correct. Okay, so now applying that rule outside of number B, which is wrong, letter B. Let's look at the next two answers, C and D. Let's look at the titles. C, a deputy sheriff of Nassau County. Again, a deputy sheriff of Nassau County, county, has always been assigned to the county jail in Mineola. The sheriff's geographical area of employment is limited to Mineola. Okay, we know that that's wrong. He's not limited to Mineola. You know why? Because he's a deputy sheriff of Nassau County, of all of Nassau County, not just Mineola. So that's wrong. D, a police officer of the town of Chatham, a police officer of the town of Chatham in Columbia County is assigned to road patrol for traffic violators. The officer's geographical area of employment does not include state or county roads which pass through the town. Town of Chatham. They're saying that he's not responsible for the roads. Bullshit. Those roads are passing through the town. It's in the town. He's responsible for them. So that makes D wrong. Okay, so this again is CPL 1.20-34A, if you want to look that up. I'm going to just turn the page a second. See if there's anything interesting in the notes. Let's see. Do we want to read all these notes? I kind of want to keep it simple. But I will read it to you in case you want more out of this video. So the correct answer again was A. Since the officer's employer is the state, his geographical area of employment is the entire state. Choice B is incorrect. For the geographical area of employment of a New York City police officer is the entire city. The Division of New York